In a major development, the second consignment of Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccines arrived in a special flight at Hyderabad in Telangana. The first consignment carrying 1.5 lakh doses had reached the country on May 1st. Sputnik V is third vaccine that has been approved by the Drug Controller General of India after Serum Institute of India's Covishield and Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. The second batch of Sputnik V arrives in Hyderabad, India. Russian ambassador to India Nikolay Kudashev termed the fight against COVID-19 an example of strategic partnership and an effective model of anti-pandemic cooperation between Russia and India. The second batch of Sputnik V has landed in Hyderabad today. We are very happy to see that the Russia-India joint fight against COVID-19, which is one of the vital areas of our bilateral cooperation, nowadays has firmly stood on the rails and moving forward. The Russian ambassador to India said that the production of the COVID-19 vaccines would slowly increase in the country.
Sputnik V is the Russian-Indian vaccine. We expect that its production in India will be gradually increased up to 850 million doses per year. Looking forward to further expanding our bilateral and multilateral cooperation with India to stop the pandemic. As we know, there are plans to introduce a single-dose vaccine soon in India, Sputnik Light.
Nikolay Kudashev also emphasized on the efficacy and popularity of the Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccine.
The efficacy of the Sputnik V is well known in the world. Back in Russia, it is being successfully used to vaccinate citizens, starting since the second half of 2020. Russian specialists declared that it is also effective against the new strains of COVID-19.
The first consignment of the Russian vaccines would be available in the market from next week. Amid the shortage of the COVID-19 vaccines in the country, Sputnik V has collaborated with Dr. Reddy's Laboratories for manufacturing in India. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories is planning to manufacture around 85 million doses of the Russian vaccine. Currently, the imported anti-COVID-19 vaccines are priced at 995.4 rupees per dose. The Sputnik V was granted an emergency use authorization in India on April 12, 2021. According to Gamaleya National Research Center of Epidemiology and Microbiology, Sputnik V showed 97.6% efficiency. The COVID-19 vaccine has been approved for use in 65 countries so far. India is one of the leading production hubs for Sputnik V.